Good morning, one and all. It gives me great pleasure and privilege to be here for the occasion of online MHRM lecture. I, Dr. Dheeraj Joval, as the HOD of Commerce Department, would like to welcome all my TY become student participant for MHRM lecture. Today, we are going to see about the chapter 2, Marketing Decision Part 1, Product and Price. And let us go for the question under the Marketing Decision Part 1. What do you mean by the brand equity and what are the factors? Now let us go for meaning to create additional values and image in the mind of the customer, that is called as a brand equity. We are thinking about in a particular brand and we have that kind of the value and image of that particular brand in our mind. Now I would like to go for the definition. Edward Tover defined the incremental value of business above the value of its physical asset due to the market position achieved by its brand and the extension potential of the brand. Look at the definition, which has clearly give the explanation about that one. The brand is having that kind of the incremental value of the business about the value of its physical asset. Now I would like to show. I have mentioned here the two example. One is a Nirma washing powder. If tomorrow, suppose if tomorrow Nirma want to launch Nirma biscuit, now can you tell me, do you like to eat that Nirma biscuit? No, because we are having that kind of the Nirma brand image in the mind of in customer. They're thinking about that Nirma is only for making product related only cleaning. Therefore, if they are going to make a biscuit, the best quality of the biscuit, at the time of the purchasing, the customer will be hesitant. The same is applicable for the Dettol also. Dettol is having that kind of the brand equity in the mind of the customer. The customer always thinking about that Dettol is using for the cleaning purpose. If Dettol want to launch a soft drink, the best quality of soft drink, but people, I think so, it may hesitate to buy that Dettol soft drink. Then we can say brand equity means additional value or image in the mind of the customer. It is an image, incremental value. It's a more about than the its physical asset of the company and the brand that achieve that position in the market. Now we are going to see what are the factors are affecting on the brand equity. Now look at the here. Brand loyalty, brand name awareness, brand association, after sale service, which consists of your warranty guarantee, a lot of the things we have seen under here. Brand ambassador, those who are the famous personality, Bollywood actor, actresses, cricket stars, sports person, these are using to promote, these are using to endorse the brand patent. We are going to take a legal protection. Then we can go for brand logo is there. Now one by one we can see each and everything, what are the factors affecting. Now look at the here, the first factor about the brand equity. It means a fixed image in the mind of the customer, as I discussed earlier. Now we are going to see the Nirma washing powder. The Nirma is that kind of the product. We have the fixed image about the Nirma. We are using the Nirma's product, whatever the Nirma company making any product, we are going to use only for the cleaning purpose. Whatever the product we are making from the Dettol, we are going to use for the cleaning and hygienic purpose exactly. Then we can say brand equity means to fix image in the mind of the customer, to create additional value and image in the mind of the customer. And even also look at the here, brand equity, it's a indicate that what incremental value which is more and above on the company's physical asset. Then we can say the brand has achieved that position in the competitive environment. Now we are going to see next first point under here, brand loyalty. Take the example, I have given the image also there, a Colgate. Those who are the satisfied customer, they are purchasing the product on regular basis, continuously basis, and even also they can recommend the product to their friend circles also. They're within the society also. Yes, students, look at the image of the Colgate, and you know very well about we are using a Colgate. Our parents are using the Colgate, and we can say in most of the family we have seen the Colgate. We are towards the Colgate as a loyalty. Then we can say those who are the satisfied customer, they are using the product on regular basis. Even also they have recommended the product to the their family member, their society member, that is called as evangelist. Evangelist means that we can say they are doing the advertising mouth publicity as a free of cost. That comes under the brand loyalty. Now we are going to see the second point, brand name awareness. In the mind of the customer, we have the certain kind of the brand name. Look at the here. If we have seen these are the brand name awareness, corporate name. Whatever the product Tata is going to launch, Tata has given his corporate name. Tata Salt, Tata Nano, Tata Hexa, Tata Steel, whatever having that one. Corporate come individual brand name. It's indicate that the company's name as well as the brand name. Cadbury is a company, Dairy Milk is a chocolate. Umbrella name under the one roof. We have seen the so many products just like Amul butter, Amul milk, Amul chocolate, and those are the last we can see also founder name. Those who are invented the product give his or her name. Now look at the here Colgate, Nestle, Ford, and here is the example about the Amul. Now Amul comes under the umbrella name. We have seen the so many products having here, but there is a one common name is a Amul. Amul butter, Amul milk, Amul chocolate. It comes under the umbrella name. Now we are going to see here about the brand association. A brand must link or connect to certain association, parties, any natural scene, any natural which is connected with the brand. Now look at the here the Lux Soap association of the Bollywood actresses. Those who are the Bollywood actresses, new actresses, they have taken they got the chance to do the Lux Soap advertisement. Even also we can go for the Goa. Goa is associated with the beautiful beaches, the natural scenery is there. Let us we can think about the Kerala. Kerala is a associated with the backwater experiences and the Ayurvedic massage. And even also I would like to show the picture here. Amitabh Bachchan is associated with the KBC, Kaun Banega Karodpati. Now we are here. Here is the example of the Lux soap, and we have seen the advertisement. A lot of the Bollywood actresses are associated with the Lux soap. Now after sale services, it's a nothing but we can say warranty guarantee. Then we can say we are going to collect the feedback of the customer. We are going to provide the we are going to solve the customer query also. It is a providing a lot of the create a brand image in the mind of the customer. Most of the time after sales service are applicable for the consumer durable product, and as I mentioned that one the basically it comes under your warranty guarantee, repair, maintenance, exchange of your product, replace of your product. And here there is a separate staff and training are going to provide that kind of the services to the customer. The ultimate goal is that the customer should be satisfied. Now look at the here, the brand ambassador. These are the famous personality, are the part of the brand promotion. That is called as the brand ambassador. The famous personality from the Bollywood, then we can say sports person, or cricket star, or famous TV personality. They are going to use as a brand ambassador to promote the product. The reason is that popularity of that these are the people having the popularity. Even these people having the fan following, they are going due to the these person associate with the automatically the brand value also increase in the market also. Now look at the year Kaun Banega Karodpati. Amitabh Bachchan is associated with their brand ambassador after the successfully launch of the toilet feature in all over the India. Now Akshay Kumar is the brand ambassador for the Harpic, and these are the cartoon characteristics. Zuzu is a quite famous for the IPL. Now we can go for that one. Brand next point is a brand patent. Company can attain patent for a new or innovative product. Therefore, there is a need to register under the Patent Act in India. Product may be registered under the Patent Amendment Act 2005. Then I would like to mention here, due to the patent copyright, then we can get the legal protection. No one can easily copy our product or brand. Then brand logo, along with the brand name, it is facilitated to the customer. There are so many special design, attraction, color combination, size, shape. Then we can see the different types of the logo, symbol, etc. to attract the customer towards the brand. Now look at the here Nike logo. Now look at the here three-pointed star of the Mercedes car. At the last end, here is the recap of that one. These are the several factors directly affected on the branding. First one is the brand loyalty, second is the brand name awareness, third one is the brand association, fourth one is the after sale service, the fifth one is the brand ambassador, sixth one is the brand patent, seventh one is the brand logo. Yes, student, thank you very much for your precious listening. Thanks a lot.